Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. NZXT H7 Flow CMH71FB01 ATX Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case. Delivering excellent performance at a reasonable price, NZXT's H7 Flow ATX case does such a fine job at the basics that it outshines advanced features offered by its competitors. We've opened up the top panel to achieve even better thermal efficiency. The perforated panel provides improved ventilation as warm air flows through the top of the chassis. The top and front of the case support radiators up to 360 mm, while the front panel can accommodate 3 140 mm fans for maximum cooling. Streamline the build process with an improved cable management system. Wider cable channels provide more room to easily route cables, while the addition of hooks adds stability. The H7 combines the modern look of the H-series with new color options that fit in seamlessly with any aesthetic. Each color is paired with glass tinting that complements the respective chassis. Ample space and clearance make the H7 a spacious chassis for ambitious builds. Excellent cooling performance. Good noise control. Comprehensive dust control. Supports dual oversize radiators. Easy snap-on panels. Great cable selection. Reasonably priced. Number 2. Fractal Design Meshify 2 Compact. Fractal Design's Meshify 2 Compact is one of the best mid-tower cases we've tested in recent years. It's aggressively priced, distinctive in look, and a joy to build inside. Iconic angular mesh front provides filtered airflow with a bold, stealth-inspired aesthetic. Room for GPUs up to 360 mm with a 240 mm radiator in the top, or up to 360/280 mm front radiators with GPUs under 305 mm. Install up to 7x 120 mm or 4x 140 mm fans, 1x 120 mm and 2x 140 mm dynamic X2 fans included. Versatile and space-efficient ATX form factor design offers the performance and capacity of much larger cases. Open interior layout creates a smooth airflow path from front intake to rear exhaust. Seamlessly integrated TG panel with steel frame support and bolt-free top latching mechanism. Lightweight, yet solidly built. Attractive rumpled metal aesthetic. 3 USB ports on front/top panel. No RGB LEDs, a plus for some buyers. Reasonably priced and includes 3 fans. Easy to build in. Number 3. Fractal Design Torrent RGB Tower Case. Though the plastic portions of Fractal Design's Torrent RGB disappoint, this remains an excellent oversized tower PC case with generous airflow, a best-in-class building experience, and some of the quietest fans you'll find. The Torrent is built to maximize cooling potential straight out of the box. Main standouts include a brand new component layout, the open front grille and 5 included fans, 2 of which are our 180 by 38 mm dynamic PWM or Prisma RGB fans custom made to achieve maximum air cooling while maintaining controlled noise levels. Enabling excellent cooling performance, with or without water loops, the Torrent is a perfect fit for high-end users who want a case that can keep up with an ever-expanding market of hardware upgrades. Exceedingly easy to build inside. Effective use of rare top-mounted PSU. Premium stylish aesthetic, with 2 tempered glass windows. Easy cable management. Excellent airflow, aided by silent ARGB fans. Supports oversize and eATX motherboards. Number 4. Corsair 7000D Airflow Full Tower ATX PC Case. Corsair's big, pricey IQ 7000D Airflow Full Tower PC case is eye-catching and cavernous. It is equipped with plenty of fans, supports the biggest liquid cooling radiators, and has a vast side window to show off your PC parts to the max. The Corsair 7000D Airflow is a full-tower ATX case for the most ambitious builds, with an airflow-optimized steel front panel for maximum air intake. Corsair RapidRoute cable management easily keeps your cables hidden from sight, while a massive interior enables a multitude of cooling options, including up to 12x 120mm fans or up to 3 simultaneous 360mm radiators. 3 included 140mm Corsair Airguide fans deliver concentrated airflow for enhanced cooling, and customizable side fan mounts hold up to a 420mm radiator. Show off your components behind a tool-free tempered glass panel and add your own personal touch with a customizable windowed PSU shroud complete with a 3-slot vertical GPU mount. With room for up to 10 storage drives, a front I/O panel including a USB Type-C port and 4 USB 3.0 ports, and easy-access hinged side doors, you can build your legacy in the 7000D airflow. Spacious interior. 3 included 140mm fans, plus room for plenty more. Dedicated fan controller. 10 total drive mounts. Hinged side panels. 5 USB ports on front, actually, top I/O panel. Number 5. Be Quiet. Darkbase 700 ATX MIDI Tower PC Case. Big spenders with big cooling needs will thrill to Be Quiet's Darkbase Pro 901 flagship chassis. Cool thermal performance and abundant aluminum pair up in this hulking tower case, which delivers hushed operation and loads of install flexibility. Very flexible installation options thanks to 3 repositionable single HDD slots. You have 7 possibilities for installing the HDDs, 2 of these hidden behind the PSU shroud. The practical slot covers serve to hide any unused HDD slots and keep the inner workings neat and tidy. This enables you to create systems that are just as individual as you are yourself. Motherboard tray and HDD slots with enhanced possibilities for individual requirements. 2 Be Quiet. Silent Wings 3 140mm PWM fans. 4-step dual-rail fan controller is switchable between silence and performance modes. Ready for radiators up to 360mm a PSU shroud, ingenious cable routing and HDD slot covers for a neat interior. Fully windowed side panel from tinted and tempered glass. Motherboard compatibility, eATX, 30.5 by 27.5 cm, ATX, MATX, Mini IDX. Superb materials and build quality. Light up front panel ports and controls. Acoustic plugs fill unused fan mounts. External 5.25-inch bay, for those who still need one. Great airflow at moderate noise levels.